Hi, and welcome back to Landland's World. So today we'll be making an easy grilled chicken recipe. Let's get started. Alright, so for this recipe, we're not using that much ingredients. We're only using 4 ingredients. First, we're going to start off with our Island's Vibe Haitian seasoning. This is the only dry ingredient that we will be using today. So we're just going to go ahead and add that onto the chicken, and then we're going to give it a nice toss. Now, this is my first time using Island's Vibe seasoning, but I have to say this season is amazing. It gives you that great Haitian taste without having to do that much. Also with this season, it is a salt-free seasoning, so you'll have to put in the amount of salt that you desire, which is also great for me because when I cook for my dad, he doesn't like that much salt, so it's great to have a salt-free seasoning. Also, prior to this video, my chicken was already cleaned. If you would like to see how I clean the chicken, you can always click the link in the description box where I have a video showing you how I clean my chicken. So now we're just going to go ahead and add in our second ingredient, which is salt. As I stated, because it's salt-free, you'll have to go ahead and add in your own salt. Now we're going to go ahead and add in some Haitian Epis. Now we're also going to add in some blended scotch bonnet pepper and Mojo. Now this is optional. I just like my grilled chicken spicy. If you don't want it spicy, you can just add Mojo. And we're just going to go ahead and give that a nice toss so everything can be nice and coated. So now that we have everything nice and coated, what we're going to go ahead and do is to place our chicken to boil. Now we're not going to boil the chicken for too long just because I would like it nice and juicy once we go ahead and hit the grill. So we're going to boil this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so after it's been boiling about 4 to 5 minutes, we're just going to go ahead and give it a check, stir it a little, and then we're going to go ahead and let it boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once we're finished boiling, now it's time to hit the grill. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my chicken to the grill. I am using a gas grill, just in case anybody wanted to know as well. And I am just adding a little bit of that sauce onto the chicken as it grills as well. Now we're just going to go ahead and let it grill. Now we're just going to go ahead and turn it so that we can get the other side grilled as well. As you can see, they're coming out beautiful with some nice grill marks. Now there you have it, our beautiful, easy grilled chicken recipe. If you want to go ahead and purchase your Island Vibe seasoning, you can do so down below in the description box. And when I say this chicken was amazing, you guys, it was really amazing and easy to make. Also, if you want to purchase some of Landland's Kitchen pickles, you can do so as well down below in the description box. I'd like to thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!